south and strapped up. Car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
Oh, what's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day. It's been a crisp February so far, but today the sun decided to shine down. That's beautiful. The sun decided to make its appearance, and it's in the mid-60s. Well, it's gonna get up to the mid-60s. It's not there yet, but it's so nice out. I'll take what I can get. I'm taking the bike. I feel like I haven't been on it in forever. I feel like I get one day on it a month because of the weather. I'm a fair weather rider. It's my fault. But it's all Gucci. I just got back from Caffeine and Octane yesterday, and I took a lot of photos, like well over 300 photos, and for most of them I squat down, and that means today my legs are on fire. I mean, they hurt bad, which tells me that I have not done enough exercise. So yeah, I need to get back on them squats. Oh, my leg. This is crazy. Ah! Oh, look, a metal plate in the road. That's nifty. That helps no one. Dude, my leg is killing me. Ah, it hurts so bad. Some days I just want to... The mail's here. Anybody remember the old Blue's Clues? I just saw the new Blue's Clues on TV the other day. Disappointed is an understatement. That looked like hot garbage. Oh, the bumps on the road are hurting my legs. I'm just trying to get to work. Whee! Whee! Yeah, so I got all the way to work this morning and got to the set of stairs and was about to just call it and make it a sick day because my legs hurt so bad. I'm just standing there at the bottom of the stairs like, I'm not gonna make it! It's so tragic! Yeah, and one of those 0 to 10 smiley face scales you see at the doctor's office for kids, my legs are a 0. What are we doing? What are we doing? That's a green light, bro. Ah! Yeah, I'm having fun with special effects, by the way, if you couldn't tell. You're welcome. By special effects, I mean special ed effects. Is that offensive? I don't know. Who cares? Ed probably cares. He's special.
Hey, like me. Hold still, Lumpy, so I can hit ya.
Oh, my legs! Oh. I saw it. Alright, well, I'm almost there, so I guess I'm gonna cut this video now. All you guys have a real good day. I hope to see you next time. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're not a loser, and yeah, I guess I will catch you guys next time.
Is that a baby? Hi, baby. I got some candy in my basement.
I'm just kidding. I don't keep candy in the basement. That's gross. Alright, peace out, Girl Scouts.